Hey kids, very good morning everyone. So how are your holidays? I hope you enjoyed in your holidays and I hope you all are fine. So kids, now our exams are coming, so you all have to revise the rhymes, kavitaएं, story, identification of alphabets, vyanjan and numbers, counting. You all have to revise these things regularly, okay? Because exams are coming, so you all have to perform very nicely, okay? So revise the rhymes and everything regularly, okay kids? So kids, today we are going to perform the maths and English worksheet practice, okay? So let's start the class with the revision of rhymes, okay? So we'll revise the rhyme. 1 2 buckle my shoe. 1 2 buckle my shoe. 3 4 knock the door. 5 6 pick up the sticks. 7 8 lay them straight. 9 10 a big fat hen. Yes, one more time. 1 2 buckle my shoe. 3 4 knock the door. 5 6 pick up the sticks. 7 8 lay them straight. 9 10 a big fat hen. Yes, now next is chubby cheeks. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, teacher, let's revise the rhyme one more time. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Now let's revise the rhyme wholly. Run, run, run. Run away you run. Here comes the color from the water gun. Dum dum dum. Holi has come. I like Holi. It's such a fun. One more time. Run, run, run. Run away you run. Here comes the color from the water gun. Dum dum dum. Holi has come. I like Holi. It's such a fun. Very nice. So let's kids, we have revised the rhymes. Now we will do the identification of letters. So we have revised the identification of letter G and H. Today we are going to revise the letter I. I for ice cream, iron, ink pot, insect. Again, I for ice cream, iron, ink pot, insect. Ice cream, iron, ink pot, insect. Now let's come to the J. J for jacket, joker, jug, jeans. Jacket, joker, jug, jeans. Okay, now if you want to learn more pictures, then let's move on to learn the next more pictures. Okay kids? So kids, here are some more pictures related to letter I. So we have learned the ice cream. Okay, so I for island, ice, igloo. Island, ice, igloo. Okay, and some more pictures are I for ink pot, I for ivy, iris. This is the flower which is start with letter I, and these are the leaves ivy. Okay, so these are the pictures related to letter I. Okay, now let's move on to the letter J. So we have learned letter J. J for jug and J for jelly, jellyfish, jelly beans. Jelly, jellyfish, jelly beans. More pictures are there. J for juice, J for jar, J for jam. Okay. Okay kids, so these are the pictures related to letter I, J and J. Okay, so revise at least 5 to 6 pictures. Now let's move on to the class. So kids, we have done the revision of rhymes and identification of letters. Now we will perform the worksheet number 5 today, because in worksheet number 4 there are practice of A to P that we have already did in the holidays of Saturday and Sunday. That's why we will do it later. So today we will perform the worksheet number 5, what comes next, and circle the correct letter of the picture. Okay kids, so here is the letter G. So as I told you, we all have to learn the ABCD properly, then only we will perform this worksheet. Okay, so which letter comes after G? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So which letter comes after G is H. Now next is K. So let's continue from here only. G, H, I, J, K, L. Yes, which letter comes after K is L. Okay, now the next one is C. Everyone knows that. A, B, C and D. Which letter comes after C is D. Okay, now the next one is C, D, E. Yes. Okay, now this is N. So let's find out which letter comes after N. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Which letter comes after N is O. So let's write down O. Okay, now F. After F is G. Okay, so let's G and O after P and C, D, E and F. Okay, so this is how you all have to perform the what comes next question. Now let's color. Okay, now we have to circle the correct letter for the picture. Okay, so which picture is this? Fish. And fish sound is start with letter F, and F for F. Okay, so let's circle the letter F. Okay, now this is gun. G. So it means G says start with G. Yes, so G says G. So G for gun. What is this? Peas. Okay, so P means P. So let's circle the letter P. Yes, this is I for an ice cream. O for an orange. And G for crepes. Okay kids, so this is how you all have to perform the worksheet number 5. Now let's move on to the maths worksheet. So kids, this is our maths worksheet that we are going to perform today. This is circle the object that is big. We have to find out the big objects and we have to circle them, and in this color the object that is small. We have to color the objects which are small in size. Okay, so let's perform this activity with the help of colors. So here I am having my beautiful color, so I am going to choose the purple color. With the help of purple color I am going to circle. Okay, so let's find out the which burger is big in size. Is this or is this? Everyone knows this. This burger is big in size. Which ice cream is big in size? This ice cream is big in size. Which cupcake is big in size? This cupcake is big in size. Okay, now in that we have to color the small one. So I'm going to choose the color pink. Okay, the heart is of red color. Which heart is let's take the green color. So which heart is small in size? Is this? Yes, this one. So let's color this heart. You can do any color, whatever color you want to do, it's your choice. Nothing is compulsory that you have to do this color only. जो आपका बच्चे का मन करता है वो कलर वो कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. So now let's find out which cloud is big in size. This cloud is small. So let's color the small clouds. Color it beautiful. Very nice. Okay, now which apple is big in size, small in size? This apple. So let's color the small apple. Now which umbrella is small in size? This is the very cute small umbrella. So let's color this umbrella with orange color. Okay, now which drop is small in size? This drop is small in size. Okay, so this is how you all have to perform this practice worksheet, and along with that, in the last worksheet we forgot to perform one question, is this. Okay, we have to make draw the shapes and color them. Okay, so let's draw the circle shape. Kids की थोड़ी सी help कर दीजिएगा. Now let's draw the square shape. I have given you dots, so you just only have to join the dots, and कैसा भी बनाएं आप, it's okay. अगर आपकी लाइन कैसे भी हो रही है, it's okay. No need to worry कि बिल्कुल ठीक है. अगर कोशिश करिए, जैसा बनाएंगे बहुत अच्छा है, ठीक है. So this is triangle, and now what we have to do? Now we have to color them. Okay, so I'm going to do some fun activity with this. I'm going to make the eyes of my circle with smiley. So I have given some different कुछ different कर दिया है मैंने अपने shapes के साथ में. आप भी कर सकते हैं if you want to do. So enjoy this shape making activity, okay, and perform the worksheets, kids. Okay, so see you tomorrow with some another worksheet practice. So kids, till then, enjoy everyone. See you in remedial class. Bye bye.